2019 Infiniti QX50 hasn't yet been evaluated by security authorities. The 2019 Infiniti QX50 is too new to forfeit to a divider. Government and autonomous analyzers haven't yet appraised the hybrid SUVs. Crashworthiness. We'll refresh our scores once they do. Uplifting news, it's sensibly prepared to maintain a strategic distance from crashes in any case. Forward crash alerts with programmed crisis braking are standard on all models, and a rearview camera is face gear too.Blind-spot screens are standard on the mid-review Luxe trim level, and an encompass C camera framework is standard hardware on essential trims. Infiniti's suite of cutting-edge dynamic security highlights is accessible just at the best trim level, packaged into 2 separate bundles. The principal bundle includes versatile voyage control and stopping sensors. The second bundles a semi-self-ruling suite of equipment Infiniti calls ProPilot Assist that incorporates dynamic path control, a head-up show and programmed stopping for additional. Infiniti's ProPilot Assist framework requires consistent driver consideration and works just with obviously unmistakable path markings on continuous stretches of street. It's not intended to pilot the auto all alone, yet when utilized appropriately, it should make whole deals or roads turned parking lots easier. Standard well-being hardware incorporates airbags for all travelers and footing and steadiness control programs. Forward crash cautioning with programmed crisis braking are standard on all QX50s, and dynamic security highlights are accessible on top trim levels. Construct QX50s don't hold back in light of highlights, yet we begin with the mid-level and climb from that point. The best trim level offers amazing quality and better choices. Every single trim level incorporate no less than 19-inch wheels, Bluetooth availability, control flexible front seats, and a double-screen infotainment framework. We have our problem with that double-screen setup, particularly that it doesn't offer options from Apple or Android. However, recognize that it may not be a major issue.